Listen guys, y'all already seen the title and the thumbnail, and y'all know we back to the basics. We got them wings on the menu today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make honey lime pepper wings. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's get started with this wing recipe, man. I love this particular wing recipe. Back here we have our chicken wings. I've already cleaned them and washed them and patted them dry, so we're good to go. We got some honey. We got some of that lime pepper seasoning. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using, man. I'm using that Badia lime pepper seasoning. Right there. All right, back here we have some chicken seasoning. In these two dishes we have lime zest, baking powder, corn starch, fresh lime juice, black pepper, more of that lime pepper seasoning, chopped garlic, tablespoon of butter. So y'all ready to get to it? Let's get started. All right, to get started, we're gonna prepare our chicken. So we're gonna add our chicken seasoning here. Guys, you don't have chicken seasoning, just use salt and pepper. It's totally up to you. Actually, that was the lime pepper seasoning. Right here, we're gonna use our chicken seasoning here, baking powder, and our cornstarch. Oh, and let's not forget our lime zest. We're gonna do a quick mix in here. Get this all combined. All right, so we're gonna set this aside, bring out our baking sheet. All right, so now we have our rack here. Now, if you don't have a rack, that's fine. I'm gonna spray this with a little cooking spray. All right, we're gonna take our chicken now. I'm gonna lay it here across our baking rack. All right, so now that we've placed all our chicken here on our baking rack, I'm preheating our air fryer to 400 degrees. If you don't have an air fryer, preheat your oven to 425 degrees and you're gonna let them bake for 35 to 45 minutes till the internal temperature is 165. We're gonna put them in our air fryer and we're gonna air fry these babies for 20 to 25 minutes. Same thing, you wanna make sure that internal temperature is about 165. And we're gonna flip them over midway through the cooking process, so let's get them in the air fryer. All right, so it's been about 12 minutes. We're gonna start flipping these babies over to the other side. All right, so we're gonna put these babies back in here for the next 12 minutes while we prepare our honey lime pepper sauce. So to get started on our honey lime pepper sauce, we're gonna melt a tablespoon of butter. We're gonna add our honey, our lime juice, our garlic, lime zest, black pepper, and lime pepper seasoning. And we're gonna mix this until it's completely combined over medium heat. About 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so it looks like we're good right here. We're gonna turn our heat off, get at that final mix like this. I'm gonna bring over a measuring cup and I'm just gonna pour this in here. Now, you can also reserve some on the side for dipping, which I will. So now we have about 5 more minutes for our wings. Once the wings are done, we're gonna get these babies sauced up, quality control, final presentation. All right, so this is what we have after 24 minutes in our air fryer. God, look at these babies are crispy, man. Crispy, crispy. So now let's bring over our bowl so we can get them sauced up and finish this recipe. So now we're gonna add our lime pepper sauce. We'll get that baby tossed up in here. A little shaky bakey, you know how we do it over here. Bam. Then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more of that lime pepper seasoning, just for some additional flavor. And guys, take a look at this. Let's get this baby plated up and over to quality control. And guys, there you have it. Honey lime pepper wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. All right, it's quality control time. Y'all already know what we doing here. Man, look at them wings. Look at them, man. I'm gonna leave them up here just for a minute so y'all can see them, man. Y'all finna hop through that screen trying to get some of these wings. Man, look at this right here. Look at that wing there. It's so honey-y, limey, peppery. Man, let's go ahead and get to it. Oh, man. Oh, butter. Oh, man. And guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about. These wings. Y'all already know. I ain't got to harp on the wings. We know how good they is. Read the shirt. This is how we started with these wings, and we're gonna finish it with these wings. So definitely add this to your recipe. So until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.